Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited today. I'm gonna go ahead and do my daughter's nails today. She wanted to do like a swirl kind of thing, kind of like this. So we have a whole bunch of pictures that we're gonna go through to decide which one she's gonna want, but we're gonna start off with acrylic. I wanted to do the nail dip system, but she doesn't want to. She wants to try out the acrylic. So we're gonna go ahead and prep the nail. We're gonna use our primer, and we are going to use acrylic on her nails. She is old enough to do acrylic nails, so we're gonna do them pretty short. Now the only thing about my kiddo is that she does them and she takes them off the next day pretty much when we've done the nail dip system. Or even gel, she takes them off right away. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and we're gonna post on Instagram. We'll do it on TikTok as well, and that way you guys could see them there, and then I guess she'll be taking them off. So I am excited about this look. She did take a whole bunch of pictures. I also like this one. This one's super cute. So we'll see. We'll see which one we're gonna get inspired with. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and prep the nail. Now this kiddo has a lot of oils. Excuse my nails, you guys. I'm actually working on my nails, but as you can see, I have it. So I'm gonna be doing a new look. So that's gonna, I think I'm gonna be doing purple icicle nails, and I'm gonna totally try to make them look oh, that's really good. So we're gonna try to do them totally summery nails. The summer's gonna almost be over, you guys, so I'm kind of sad about that. So as you guys can see, she's got a lot of oil on her nails. Look at this. So when you have that issue going on, you want to use one of these the little buffers, and you want to go through the whole nail. We're going to use this one, and we are going to go ahead and go around the cuticle. Okay, so you want to do that for every single nail. So we'll be back when we're actually outside applying. We're going to go ahead and apply the primer as well. And then right after the primer, we're going to go ahead and start with the acrylic. I believe we're going to use a nude color. Okay, YouTube, so we are going to use these nails, which are our little short stiletto nails. But this kid wants me to cut them even shorter. So look at how short we are going. So this is definitely going to be a bit of a challenge that we're going to be working with. These kids are always a little complicated with what they want to pick. So we're gonna have to do acrylic with this, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we will see. We'll go ahead and glue them on. So, what do you guys think? I think out of all the fingers, this one was kind of my favorite one. I really like this one. So towards the end, I'll go ahead and post pictures of both hands, and I'll probably get a glimpse right now in a bit. It's just we have to go to the store super quick, so I might have to hold off on the other hand. But we should be back shortly, you guys. I'll show you guys. Go like this one. I like it. I think I might want to try a swirl, you guys. All done, YouTube. Check out my daughter's nails. Oh, they look so cute. So you guys saw how we did some of the designs, and we used the 3 colors. As you guys can see, on this one I got super creative, and then over here this one was a kind of the hard one that I was trying to follow up with everything that was on there. Even so, I feel like I pulled it off, but then on this hand I just try to be as creative as I could be with some of my thoughts, like this one. I like this one too. I did this one. So pretty much the swirls. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on our next video. Have a great one. I'll go ahead and post on TikTok and Instagram, guys, if you follow me. Take care. Bye-bye.